Hey guys, it's time to wash those dirty outside windows, and have I got a formula for you. You don't have to dry them. When you're done, you hose them down with the hose. So let's get started. We're going to take 2 gallons of warm water. To that, we're going to add your favorite jet dry product. Now, it can be jet dry, it can be any brand you use in your automatic dishwasher, is absolutely fine. Then we're going to take a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. Very simple formula. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of dishwashing liquid. Any kind you like is absolutely fine, whatever you're using in the house. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of ammonia. And we're just going to mix that around so it mixes up. Then, this is the really easy part. We're going to put the bucket down on the ground and we're going to grab our mop. Now, it can be this mop, it can be a sponge mop, a microfiber mop, whatever you want to use is fine. We're going to dunk it in the solution, and we don't need to wring it out. We're going to simply go up on our window and we're going to start. And we're just going to wash all the way down the window. Now, I always start at the top when I'm using this formula. And get down on the edges. It will not harm your trim or anything. Once you have that window scrubbed down, you're simply going to grab your hose and you're going to hose it down starting from the top of the window. We're going to pull it on and we're going to start right at the top. We're going to hose it down, and you can see the water beating up and falling down the window. That's because of our jet dry product. As long as you have it well rinsed, you are done. You can step away and go on to the next window. Is that easy or what? For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.